Hello and welcome to today's daily message. Throughout this week, I've been offering for our reflection the 5 points that comprise the Jesuit spiritual practice of the examen. And today I want to look at the fourth of these 5 suggestions, which reads, reflect on the recent events of your life. Well, for all of us, the recent events of our lives have involved, for the most part, staying at home, not being able to get out very much, if at all. And so within that, there are certain questions we can ask ourselves. How have I used my time? Have I used my time well? How much of my time have I wasted? What has been my attitude throughout this time of staying at home? Have I maintained a positive attitude? Has it been difficult to maintain a positive attitude? How have I treated the people in my life? Have I treated them well, or have I treated them not as well as I could have? And then as we reflect on these recent events, I suggest we ask ourselves 2 questions. What have I done well? And we should give ourselves a pat on the back for those things that we have done well. And second, what could I have done better? And resolve to work on those things so that we can not only survive, but live more humanly, more fully during these difficult times. Thank you for watching. Have a great Thursday.